Hello student. In today's video, we are discussing the quadrilaterals class 9 problem 1 in the NCERT. The question is if the diagonal of parallelogram are equal, then show that it is a rectangle. So let's consider ABCD is a parallelogram and we have to show that it is a rectangle. So remember, we have to show that parallelogram one angle is 90 is a rectangle. We have to show that in the parallelogram is one angle is 90. Then we show that it is a rectangle. So in the question the given is the diagonal of parallelogram are equal. So this is the diagonal AC and BD. So AC equal to BD, and as you know ABCD is a parallelogram, then AB equal to CD and DA equal to BC, because opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, as you know. Okay, so let's take two triangle, CBA, CBA and DAB. Okay, so the triangle is DAB and CBA. Okay, so DA equal to CB. This DA equal to CB. DA equal to CB because opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. So then we can write DA equal to CB. Opposite side. Opposite side. Opposite side. And AB equal to BA. Second is AB equal to B. AB equal to B. Common side. Common side. Because the AB and BA in both triangle DAB and CBA are common. So we can write it from this. And DB equal to C. DB equal to C. This DB and this CA. This DB and this C. Because in the question the given is diagonals are equal. So we can write DB equal to C, and in the bracket the reference is equal diagonal. Equal diagonal. Equal diagonals. Okay, so by SSS rule, side. So then we can write by SSS rule, angle DAB is concurrent to angle CBA. Angle DAB is concurrent to angle CBA, right? Then we can also write by CPCT rule, as you know, by CPCT. By CPCT rule, we can write that angle angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. Angle CBA. If we show that the angle DAB and CBA are concurrent, then we can say that the angle DBA and angle CBA are equal. Because these angles are similar, so we can consider these two angles as x. We can consider these two angles as x, and as you know, this is the two side of parallelogram, and this is the transversal line. This is the transversal line meet these two side of parallelogram. Okay, and this is the co-interior angle. And the sum is 180 because of parallel line. The angle sum of 180 because of the parallel line of co-interior. Okay, so let's write triangle. Write triangle A and triangle B from this. Let's write triangle A plus triangle B is equal to 180 degree. Okay, and what is mean by triangle A and triangle B? As you know, the triangle A and triangle B, we can consider that is x. Triangle A is x and triangle B is x, equal to 180, because we consider triangle DAB and triangle CBE. This triangle DAB and triangle CBE. We can consider this X and this X. So from here we can write this, and x-axis 2x, 2x equal to 180, and x is go to the dividation of 180, then the result is 90 degree. Then the result is 90 degree. So we can say that this angle is 90, x, this angle is 90, and this angle is also a 90. Finally we prove that this angle is 90 degree and this is also a 90 degree. So as you know, we can see that parallelogram, as you know, we can see that parallelogram one angle is 90 is a rectangle. As you know, we can see that parallelogram one angle is 90 is a rectangle. Parallelogram one angle is 90 is a rectangle. And in question, what we have to what is asking, they are asking that if the diagonal of parallelogram equal, they show that it is a rectangle. So we prove that the angle is 90 degree in the parallelogram, and if we show that the angle is 90, then we can say that parallelogram one angle is 90 is a rectangle. So here is the first question, explanation. That's it in the today's video. We will discuss next question in another video.